Welcome to Trek Advisors. Planning a group trip and wondering how to make it truly unforgettable? Travel is more than just checking off landmarks, it's about sharing experiences. In this video, we'll explore must-do activities perfect for group travelers, from cultural experiences to thrilling adventures. Let's dive in. First on our list is something I always tell my travelers: get your nose into a local market. Think of it as the beating heart of a city, a symphony of sights, smells, and sounds. Imagine you and your friends strolling through a maze of stalls bursting with colorful spices, exotic fruits, and handcrafted souvenirs. Hear the friendly banter of vendors, haggling over prices with a wink and a smile. In Marrakesh, lose yourselves in the Jama El Fna Square as storytellers captivate crowds. In Bangkok, navigate the floating markets, their canals teeming with boats laden with tropical fruits and flowers. Markets are more than just places to shop, they're living, breathing snapshots of everyday life. Trust me, those memories, those are the souvenirs you'll cherish the most. Alright, food lovers, this one's for you. Imagine this: you and your travel buddies gathered around a table in a charming Tuscan farmhouse, learning the secrets of crafting the perfect plate of pasta. Or maybe you're in a bustling Tokyo kitchen, mastering the art of rolling sushi with a seasoned chef. A cooking class isn't just about following a recipe, it's about immersing yourselves in the local culture through its cuisine. You'll learn about regional ingredients, traditional techniques, and the stories behind the dishes. And the best part, you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor together. It's a bonding experience like no other, filled with laughter and shared discoveries. Trust me, the memories you make will be far tastier than any souvenir you could buy. Alright adventurers, this one's for you. If your group thrives on adrenaline, an adventure tour is a must. Imagine the wind whipping through your hair as you soar through the jungle canopy on a zip line, or the exhilarating rush of whitewater rafting. Picture yourselves conquering your fears and sharing those heart-pumping moments with your closest friends. Whether it's trekking through the Amazon rainforest or bungee jumping in New Zealand, adventure tours offer a unique opportunity to connect with nature. And the best part? You'll face those challenges together, supporting each other every step of the way. The bonds you forge while navigating rapids or scaling cliffs will be unbreakable. Choose an adventure that speaks to your group's spirit, and let the thrill of the unknown bring you closer than ever before. Sometimes the best adventures are the ones where you simply kick back, relax, and soak up the beauty around you. And what better place to do that than on a pristine beach with the sound of waves crashing against the shore? Picture this: you and your friends, sprawled out on soft sand, a good book in hand, and the gentle sea breeze whispering through your hair. Whether you're lounging on the shores of the Caribbean or exploring hidden coves in Southeast Asia, a beach day offers something for everyone. For the active ones, there's beach volleyball or a refreshing dip in the ocean. For those seeking tranquility, there's nothing quite like losing yourself in a captivating novel. A beach day is a reminder to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the simple pleasures in life. So, grab your sunscreen, pack a picnic, and head to the nearest stretch of coastline. Every destination has a story to tell, a history waiting to be uncovered. And what better way to delve into the heart of a place than by embarking on a cultural or historical tour? Imagine standing in the shadow of the Colosseum, feeling the weight of history as your guide transports you back to the days of gladiators and emperors. Or picture yourselves wandering through the Louvre, marveling at masterpieces that have captivated art lovers for centuries. From guided walks through ancient ruins to immersive museum experiences, cultural and historical tours offer a window into the soul of a destination. You'll gain a deeper understanding of the local customs, traditions, and events that have shaped the place you're visiting. These tours aren't just about ticking off landmarks, they're about connecting with the spirit of a place. So embrace the opportunity to learn, explore, and engage with the history and culture of your chosen destination. So there you have it, fellow travelers, 5 fantastic activities that are sure to make your next group trip unforgettable. Remember, the best trips are the ones we share with others, where laughter lines the streets we wander and memories are our most treasured souvenirs. Ready for more travel tips and inspiration? Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy travels!